Okay, so let's suppose this is our Power Builder application. Okay, Power Builder. Okay, so in the Power Builder technology, we have two type of job in the market. Okay, one is development and the second is support. Okay, so all your means oops concept, because that Power Builder is a object oriented language and tool. Okay, so you just go through the term of the all object oriented concept, like uh, polymorphism, inheritance, encapsulation, right? Overloading, overriding. So you just go through and understand the functionality. Okay, because when you will work in Power Builder, okay, you will get used all the concept in the Power script. Okay, so developer always implement the new applications. Okay, and support person will support existing running application. Okay, so what support person will do, support person will identify where is the issue in the application. Okay, and it will report to development to fix that. Okay, so one more thing I wanted to highlight here, because Power Builder is a front end language. Okay, and behind it is using database, right? Hello.
Yes, yes.
Database, or database, uh, maybe Oracle, SQL Server. Okay, so this developer sometime working, uh, as a means date, creating a database. Okay, creating a table. Okay, and or he will get database developer. Okay, so developer might have access of these database tables. Okay, and support person also have the same thing, means support person also have a access to know what are the database is used in the application. Okay, so we will discuss about the objects. Okay, in the Power Builder, because Power Builder is a object oriented language. So I'm just going to give brief on the databases. Okay, it is to removing. Okay, so we have objects in the Power Builder. So we have two type of object. One is visual object. Okay, visual object, okay, and non-visual object. Visual object, okay. So what is mean? Visual means we can see, right? And non-visual means we can't see, right? So generally, whatever we can see in front of us, okay, all things are like an object, right? Like we can see car, laptop, desktop, right? So these are the objects. So if we are talking in the power builder, okay, so if you will see this one, these are the visual object, okay. This is the window, and window is a visual object, okay. This is the data window. Data window is also a object, okay. So as you
So I know
Mhm.
how to identify is the window or other one.
Yes. So yeah, right. This is a valid question, okay. So let's suppose this is a small application I'm running in front of you, okay. So if you will see this icon, okay, if I'm putting cursor on this icon, it is popping the name. What is mean that, okay, run power builder application, right? So let me click here. If I'm clicking, this application has run, right? This is the window, okay, welcome window. So here you can enter like user id something, right? And you can give password like this and click, okay. So it has been popping that whatever you are giving, right, it is not matching, right? So you can ignore because I'm also not aware, but we will check backend what is that, okay. So let me click OK. So if I'm clicking, it has given uh second frame, right? Second frame. And inside this frame we have menu, edit, window, help, right? So if I'll go report, so if I'll click, I'm getting this report, right? So whatever you are able to see right now, this is the power builder application, okay. These are the all window has been created by power builder technology, okay.
Okay.
So this type of application we can build with the help of power builder, okay. So it is giving some error because I am running this by default, okay. So let me so this is the all option, okay, right? You can show display this one. Let me close, okay. So you got it some idea which type of application we can create with the help of power builder, right? You got it some idea like which type of
Yes.
application. So this is the small application which is developed in the Power Builder,
Okay.
right? And from where this data is coming in the report, the data is coming from the
Data source.
database.
Database.
So these are the ID and all. It is coming from the database. Got it? So
Okay.
only two things is there in the Power Builder technology. One is the front end, which is developed in the Power Builder, and the second is the data is coming from the database. Got it? So I'm coming your question, how we can identify this is the window, right? So each object have some identity in the Power Builder. Okay. So if I'll click Control N, or you can just go to in new Control N, right? Control N, or you can also go from here. So I am getting this new window, right? So if I'm this is the icon for the workspace. Okay.
Okay.
So you can just identify with the help of these icons, right? How you are identifying any big organization with the help of logo, right? Logo, Geo, SBI, Accenture, Wipro, Infosys. All organizations have some logo, right?
Yes.
So here in the Power Builder, each object has some kind of icon. So this is the workspace. So what is a workspace? So workspace is a holding area of your all application. Okay, means if you will create first time your application, it will start from the here. Okay, so we will create. Okay, so got it, you got it, that workspace, right? So
Yes.
if I wanted to depict in this diagram, okay, so let's suppose I am developing one Power Builder application. Okay, so first of all I need to create one workspace. Okay, workspace. After that I need to create one target. Okay, so I will add one target. Target. Okay, after that we need to create first object. Object name is application, and after that we can create many objects like window, data window, menu, any control, okay, and drop down. So many objects we can create. Okay, so this hierarchy we need to follow. So first I have created workspace, and after that I will add the target. So this is the application. So this one, this is the application. Okay, this one. Okay, so if I'll go one by one, this is my workspace. If you will move your cursor on this icon, it will give name itself as well in the pop-up workspace. And after that, where it is reside in your system, the location is also giving. Okay, got it? After that, this target file. Okay, and also it will create one library. So this is the icon is represent to library. So what is a library? Library is a collection of all your objects. Means where your object will store. Okay, so your all object is stored in the library. Power Builder library. It's called .pbl. Okay, and this is my application. Application means this first first object. Okay, after that, these are the all objects. So these are the visual object: window, menu,
All
structure.
these objects we'll use in our project.
Yes, means mostly it is used window, menu, structure, function, and custom class, standard class, visual, custom visual. So these are the frequent use object. I also not used many object here, but these are the frequent.
Okay.
uh,
Custom class, window, function, custom visual.
Structure, menu. So these are the frequents which we will use.
Okay.
So it's a icon represent, means you can identify with the help of this icon. If you will get this type of icon, means it is a menu. So if you will see M, right? M is stand on menu. So this is the menu, this is the menu, this is menu. And W means when we are creating, we should have some naming convention. Okay, so that if you are working and you leave the project and someone new candidate will come. Okay, so he can understand what you did in the project. Okay, so some naming convention we have to follow. For means when we are creating window type object, we give the name from W stand on the menu, oh, sorry, window. Okay, same time this non-visual object, right? These are the visual. So if I am click here, okay, so if you will see here, it is not a visual anything, right? So this is the non-visual object. Okay, and if I'll click here, so it has given me one visual window, right? Visual window. Okay, so let's suppose I am creating this window. Okay, so each object have properties, and behavior. Properties and behavior. Okay, like same here. Properties and we have here. Okay, so got it. So what are the properties? So let's suppose this is window object. Okay, and I am storing this. I'm giving name WEMP EMP detail. Okay. This is my object, window object, which I have given one name WEMP detail. So if you will see here, there is no WMP detail. Okay, right? So this is my object, and these are the property. So property we can change, right? So if I wanted to change the color, I can change, right? So see, right? So these are the property which we can change as per the our requirement. Okay. So let me, I'm giving this one. So if you will, you need to go one by one. Okay, means when you will start practicing in your system, that you need to go one by one and check journal, scroll, tour, others, right? And visual. So if you want to give some age, you can select here. Okay, and this window have type, right? So each window have six type, means child, main, MID help, pop-up response, and each window type is used in a different situation for handling different that project requirement. Okay, so let's suppose I'm saving this whatever window I have created. I'll be control S. When I click control S, it will give a pop-up to save. Okay, so let me give the name. So here I am not giving name. I will give object name. Here I am giving EMP detail. Okay, details. Here I am giving this object name. So if I'll click OK, it will be come automatically into my tree view. Okay, so this is the tree view panel. Okay, so if you will say I've created this one EMP detail, right? So if I want to write something, okay, so I will use many option is there. Let's suppose I want to add some button here, right? So I will put here and give the name. Okay, okay, and if I want to create one more, I can give duplicate and give this cancel, right? So I have created two buttons in the same object, window object, where you are creating these buttons in the object, window object. Okay, so let me, I want to give some some name. Okay, let's suppose giving this meaningful name means why you are using this window, right? So here I will give what. So here change I can change the font. I will change uh, the color of the font. Okay, I can increase the font, right? Or many option is there. You can see one by one. Okay, and if you want, you can also change that background, right? See, I have changed the background. So let's suppose I'm giving underline. Okay, so now my one object is created, right? And I have, let's suppose this window I am using for the employee detail. Okay, so this window has been created. Okay, and let's suppose this is my uh, application. Okay, and this is opening here, right? Right. So I want to open one my window. Okay, so what I will do, I will write a logic, right? to open to open this window which we have created, right? So let me, where it is open, file inside report. So file inside,
I have a doubt.
yes.
Here there is a menu window and normal window is there.
Mm-hmm.
What is the difference between these two of
Right.
objects?
Got it.
In this
See,
window, what we will write? In
right.
this window,
Just a
what
minute,
we will.
just a minute. So let me run this one, right? Let's suppose I'm running. So this is my main window, this one. Okay, and these are the menu, right? These are the menu. Normally, what we called. So whatever these option is coming, it is coming with the help of menu object. Okay, so if you want to read more, I will share this help file so that you can search and get all the detail. Okay, so pb help file, just a minute, this one. So if I want to search what are the menus, right? What are the menus is available, right? So, so if you will see, it is coming all the information about menu. So according to this help, what he is telling, all windows in an application expect child and response window usually have menu. Menu are list of related commands or option menu items that a user can select in the currently active window, right? So, if I am running this application, so this first window is called active. This called active window. Okay, what this definition says? Select in the current active window, right? So what are the users can select from here? These are the menus. Okay, so if you'll go in the depth, you will also get the menu types. Okay, so gradually one by one we will go. Okay, we also see that what are the types are available. Okay, so about using menu, you can use menus you build in Power Builder in two ways. Okay, in the menu bar of the window as a pop-up, right? Pop-up menu. So it is explaining like how you can create menus. Okay, so let me search object. What are the objects? Just okay. So this is giving just a minute. Yes, let me give that power object. You can also select like giving the ah, so here it is giving the other detail. Okay, but let me object notation object at function point directly window object. Okay, so what is will be okay? It's about the Power Builder window ActiveX, right? Once you will use this help file, you will get the idea like how you can search the exact keyword, right? So if you will see now it is giving the exact the definition of the window, about window, right? So if you will go window from the interface between the user and Power Builder application. So what is the exact use of window, right? So window is a given interaction, right? The first things will come in front of us means user, the window. So it is a window. Okay, we have created a login window after giving this name, this edit box we have given, right? SLE we have used button, right? So if I'll click cancel, it will cancel the application. If I'll click here, it will proceed further, right? So as this definition that picture is this definition is clearing the picture, right? Means window from the interface between the user and Power Builder application. Window can display information, request information from a user and response to the user mouse or keyword action. So this window is used to take a response from the user and display the information to the user. Okay. A window consists of property that define the window appearance and behavior, which I told, right? Events. So let's suppose this is my object which I have created. Let me open. So this object have properties. Okay, and if you will see this below of the window, so this is the layout. It by default it will open the layout. We call this one layout. By default it will open, and this object also have list, event list. Okay, number of event is there. Okay, so what are the events, right? So event list, function list, and declare instance and variable, right? So as you know, each language have variable, right? So Power Builder also have variables. Okay, so we have a let me remove it, or let me open it. Okay. So Power Builder also have a variable like other language. We have a PV. We have a variable, right? Variable. Okay. So we have a local variable. Okay. We have a instance variable. We have a global variable, and we have shared variable. So we have 4 type of variable. Okay, so we will go one by one. Once gradually we will start. Okay, so now one question will come in your mind: what are the list, right? So as we have already read it, that Power Builder is a object oriented and event driven language. Power Builder is a object oriented and event driven language, right? Got it? Hello,
Yes.
are you getting, or
Yes, getting.
it's going out of head?
No, getting.
You getting, right? So object is a object sorry, that Power Builder is a object oriented and event driven. So what are the events? Events are the set of uh, that logics, you can say, set of logic which is provided by uh, predefined logic, you can say predefined logic which is provided by Power Builder, right? So let's suppose I want to open my window which I have created, right? Just a minute.
Hello?
Hello. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So let's suppose let me open my object. Okay. So, right. So the first object is our Power Builder application. First object is application, right? So this is the application, and application is also object. Though, so this object have list, right? Right. So what I will do, I'm going to open my window, right? So I will go in the close event and I will open my window first. Right? So we have open function and I will give my object name wmp details. Okay, let me run. See, now my window is opening, right? So what I did, I have written single code, matlab single line of code in the open event, in the open event, right? In this open event. So what open event did, open event directly open my object which I have created. Okay, so means each event used for the different use. Okay, let's suppose I want to open some object, I will use open event. If I want to close my object, I will use close event. So like that, we have a number of events which we will use as per the our requirement. Okay, so if you want to read about what is the open event, you need to just type here event and it will give that list. Open function, open event. Here you will get also get. Okay, so once you will event cross tab, Means here you will get all the detail, but once you will start using this, okay, so you will go through, and after that you will get instantly, means once you will handy with this, okay. So if in short, if I want to describe this, what are the events, okay, so what are the events, right? Event, so event is a set of set of logic which is used for any specific task, okay. Okay, got it. And we have a list of events, number of events each object have, okay. Each object have event list, remember this things, each object. And the remaining object is so these are the all object, okay. And after that we have this data window, so this data window we have a type, so these are also objects, okay. And after that we have a data database, okay. So means we need to select which database you are going to use inside your application, okay. So, and this is used for the building builds, okay. So we will go one by one. So you got it something about the power builder objects, Harry?
Still, I need to go through this video because this is the first time to hear the objects. What are the
Right. So these are the very simple, you can say, means in other language, if you want to write or create this application, means this application just for creating a window and open, it will take a number of lines code, but I have not written any single code till now. I just written only one statement in the application event, this open, only one function I used, open, and I have given object name, and it has worked. But for the Java and other languages, you need to write hundred of code to achieve this. That's why Power Builder is more popular, because it is saving a lot of development time, okay. Got it?
okay?
Okay, so I will share this help window, sorry, that help file in the drive, okay, common drive, this one, so you can access from there, okay. You can download
And
in your
also,
system.
I didn't get yesterday video.
Sorry.
Hello.
Yes, tell me.
I didn't get yesterday video also.
uh, okay. Actually,
Yesterday I missed the class.
yesterday I have not recorded, because
That
just
video I didn't.
you are not there in the class, right? So that's why I have not recorded. The same thing we had discussed. Okay.